afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon.
What is your name?
My name is Gabriel J. Esterosa. I'm 25, single.
What did you study?
I study HRM, only 2 years, because of financial problem, not able to finish.
Okay. Tell me about your working experience as a cook.
My working experience in Kuwait, 2 years there, in company of Americana, and I was assigned there as a griller, like burger, making salad.
Okay. So, reason for leaving the job?
Reason for leaving the job, only just finished my contract 2 years.
Okay. What makes you a good cook?
What makes me a good cook, I am fast learner and flexible, and that's all.
How many years do you want to work in Romania?
How many years? As long as the employer give me a chance to continue my.
What skill certificate do you have? Do you have the TESDA certificate?
No, I don't know.
So, you gain your skill through experience.
Yeah, on the experience.
What reasons would you make you break the contract and leave the job in case you're in Romania?
Maybe the reason, maybe the treatment.
What do you mean the treatment?
Bad treatment.
If the employer has a bad treatment on you.
Yes.
Okay. What about the medical problems? Do you have medical
No, I
problems?
don't have any medical problems.
Do you have a chronic disease, surgeries?
I don't.
Do you have any problem working in shifts?
No.
Is it okay to you assign during night shifts?
It's okay, even night or morning.
That's all, sir. Thank you.
Thank you.